Have you ever questioned why some individuals appear to be able to attract riches with ease while others struggle to make ends meet? The 10 most secret and unknown money truths, according to successful people that you must know, are revealed in the video we're showing you today. The last truth is the most shocking one, so don't miss that one. Do watch the video till the end to know everything about money. Now let's start. 1. Carelessly spending money adds up. On occasion, we frivolously spend our money on unimportant items like fancy clothes, takeaway meals, or a coffee on our way to work. This money may have gone towards starting a retirement fund to cover these little costs. Only a small percentage of people plan for the future, and rest assume that everything will work out in the end. You will reduce all the unneeded expenditures if you understand what I'm saying. And if you succeed, you'll get to enjoy a comfortable retirement. It truly doesn't take much. All you have to do is stop wasting money on pointless purchases and start investing. 2. Successful investors read most of the time. Contrary to common belief, it is untrue that successful investors are experts in their field and spend the bulk of their time in meetings. They read yearly reports, financial reports from businesses, and business plans, since reading is what they do the most of the time. All of this is done to make sure they comprehend the business from top to bottom before investing. 3. Ideas are useless. Your ideas are meaningless, despite the fact that so many people stress that they are the key to success. You'll need to be persistent if you want to keep putting the good concept into action. And that's what will make you stand out from the competition. Because 99% of people are actually carrying million-dollar ideas with them wherever they go, but are not working to any of the idea. Actually, the majority of them are too lethargic to act, preferring to think about it later instead. Just choose an idea and work towards it. If you want to know more money truths and secrets, then please do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. In order to save money in the future, you occasionally have to spend money now. Although it could be tempting to spend money now, investing in high-quality goods will help you save a lot of money in the long run. This implies it's best to invest in a high-quality leather coat that will last you for years rather than a cheap outfit that will quickly get worn out. Simply said, there is a lesson that is not taught in school: life is real. Investing in high-quality goods will put you in a better position to budget your money and even be a more responsible spender, as opposed to swiping your credit card at every eye-catching object you see along the road. 5. You can't just save without a strategy. Every action we take needs a purpose and a path toward realizing whatever objective you have in mind. The same discipline is needed to manage your finances, including the ability to write out a detailed strategy. Money is only made and spent without a strategy by those who lack financial literacy. Even if you have the best of intentions, you can't save that money without first deciding what is more crucial. As in the case, you may put all your money into retirement saving and later find that you have no money to survive the year. Similar to that, you cannot save money if you are deeply in debt. Because a strategy will help in making judgments after balancing the significance, urgency, and convenience. Having one is crucial. 6. Your investment in yourself is the most significant one you can make. In this world, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Anybody may be an athlete, even in sports. You won't achieve your goal until you put in the time and effort required to train, just like other athletes do. The bottom line is that while you strive to develop yourself, you will also advance your knowledge and get improved health and fitness along the road. And this is the only investment over which you will have total control. I don't know about you, but if I had the choice to spend my time and effort on creating someone else's legacy instead of investing in myself, I would choose to do it every time. We are so conditioned by the system to value employment that we have forgotten that we are our finest asset. 7. There is no room for excuses. The positive and the bad luck will balance out over your lifetime. Despite the fact that it's difficult to imagine, the conflict eventually ends. Nobody's life is filled with misery, there isn't anyone who is. The good news is that everything always improves at some time, and you can even get lucky. But before you approach me with heartbreaking tales of those who were unlucky enough to pass away and live in agony, please wait. I completely understand that this rule does not apply in all situations. While others experience the latter, some people are lucky all their lives. During what may have been their toughest moments, some people have achieved extraordinary financial success. The companies that survived the epidemic, for example, by entering undeveloped markets or shifting their operations exclusively so that they may continue to serve their clients. 8. Working hard is not the most essential thing. The irrational notion that you have to labor non-stop to succeed is a very big misconception. An industrial worker's perspective is typically one of feeling accomplished after working 12-hour stints. Finding something you love and figuring out how to make it simpler to do every day and earn money from it is the goal. You'll see that this simplicity yields a compounding return that you may further reinvest. 9. You should always prepare for the unexpected when it comes to spending. No matter how thrifty you try to be in your money management, you nearly always get caught off guard when it comes to spending. It may be an event for a close friend that you neglected to budget for or a fine you received for parking illegally. Disruptive expenditures are the best approach to classify this kind of cost. They frequently result from recognized concussions that have unpredictable maturities. 10. Debt doesn't just vanish by itself. You sought out a loan from a bank or a friend for whatever purpose you had. Even if we borrowed the money, we all detest having to return our debts since it is difficult and requires us to part with money we have worked so hard to achieve. There aren't many choices available to us when we are in debt, though. You may pay off your debt using one of two strategies, which are the two most popular. This means that you may group your debts according to size and begin paying them off in order of increasing magnitude. Another choice is to start by paying off the loan with the highest interest rate, then go down the list. That's all for today. These are the most secret truths. After using these truths, you could generate money very easily. If you loved watching the video, then do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. Let me know in the comments if you know any more secrets or want to know more. Share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching till here.